Hello friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel Want to Stay. Today in this video, let's learn about how to log the chats in WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, we need to go to WhatsApp app. So here it is. Now go to the chats and click on the chat you want to log. Let's go for this one. Now we need to click on the profile in the top. Let's tap on this. You can see chat log option over here. So let's tap on this. Now we need to turn this on. Log the chat with fingerprint. So let's tap on this. Now keep your fingerprint here. Now it is logged. So let's click on view. We can see the chat is logged. Let's go back and here we can see the logged chats. Now to look at the logged chats, you can simply tap on this. Now confirm with your fingerprints and you can see it. So this is all we need to do to log chats in WhatsApp. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.